Easiest thing. 1, 2, bar. Right. Use your open hand. Most of the time, bam. Right. That same hand. Hit. Right. 1, 2, 3. Right. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Hit. After hitting here, control here with an elbow. Follow again. 1, 2, 3. Right. Here's up. Boom. Right. So on each arm of the time. Second step. This will help you. Bam. Okay. Right. So in reality time, go 1, 2, 3. Right. So you move together. 1, 2, fast. Get it. Go 1, 2. Right. Go 1, 2. Right. This after this control here, kneeling push again. 1, 2. Good speed. 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 1, 2. Right. After this, same hand with an elbow. That's good. Now slowly. Right. Pull elbow. Push again. Elbow. 1, 2. Push. Pull. Elbow. Push. 1, 2. Push. Elbow. Push. Okay. Boom. Boom. Right. That's our lesson for today. Very simple. Right. Remember, 1, 2, 3, bam. Right. Now use this. You strike here. After this, pull. Using this elbow. Here. Then push it. Right. See you into the next lesson.